Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. I hope that everyone has had a great week. It is Friday. Today should be the last day that you guys see me in this makeshift office. And then tomorrow, I'll be back into my new office. So very excited about that. But, getting right into it today. We don't want to trade against the trend, right? So if we look here on the 5-minute chart, which spans back a couple of days, we sold off huge yesterday on massive volume. So selling off like this, coming into the day today, do you really want to be going long? Well, there is those times where you could be sitting at a support level, and this is all about levels and knowing when to get in and where to get in is if you were at that level. So if I pull up here on this, but we'll unlink this and I'm going to pull up the SPY for you guys. Now, let's just make this a little bit bigger. The SPY here was a sell-off from 450 yesterday all the way to 438. That's a $12 range. Absolutely massive on huge volume. That's not good, okay? If the volume was light, then I would say, well, first of all, it probably wouldn't be that much of a sell-off. But if volume was lighter, I would say, you know what, maybe we bounce today. And that's always possible, and that's why we have these key levels. So the key level today, and you can see here, I mean, it was respected so well. We saw the sell-off. We got a retest, and this 435.50, which we post these levels every single day in our Discord group. So the play today in our community was wait until you get the breakdown of this key level, and then you could get in short for the moves back down. But you want to wait until this level breaks. So that's the SPY. What I traded was the futures version of the SPY. And you can trade options, you could trade futures, whatever it is. But this MES, this is the micro version of the futures, of the SPY. So the way that I did it, coming in here at 9:30, I waited to see if we break down. We broke down, we retested, and then continued, this downtrend, this kind of downtrend that we saw yesterday. Very similar the way that it's currently looking for the day. And once we break those key levels on the SPY, well, where is the next key level? The next key level is at 430. And that doesn't mean that we're going to go to 430 today. I mean, anything's possible. We have seen a huge amount of selling. But at this point, this is no man's land. I don't want to be, trying to predict where a reversal is going to come in the middle of key levels like this. So, just trade price action, but have those key levels that you can look at, to get that confirmation of where the moves are possible. I use those every time I trade. I don't like to jump in a trade before that because, if you jump in a trade off the open and you say, I'm going to go long here. Well, now you're in between and you really haven't tested anything yet. So once you test these levels, that's the way to trade. So, watch those key levels. Like I said, we post them every morning for our Discord members. If you are interested, you can come in there. But today we made 147.50 just trading that key level, trading the trend. And that's it. I'll show you guys here if you are interested. This is where we post the daily chart levels for members. You can see here on the SPY, this 435.50. Well, that was going to be our level. If we break down there, now all of a sudden, we're the lowest we've been in over a month. So that's why, that's why it was such a key level. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, hit the thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe. I'll see you back on the next one. Take care, guys.